This is how to make a very simple airplane. First, you do this. Make sure all corners are exact. So I'm just going to put a corner there. Fold it. And a corner here. Fold that. Do that. Now you unfold it. How much of a waste of time. Yeah, I like wasting time. Now fold that. And that, like every single paper airplane there. Now you have a nice, neat paper airplane. But this is a strange step. Oh my God, what's happening? What's happening? I have made a strange airplane. I just bring the house's roof down to the ground. Now, you do this. And that. Do that. Now, we're almost at the end. Oh no, I made a mistake. I made it way too crumbly. Nice and simple. With a boom. And with another boom. You got yourself a paper airplane.